Hello everyone.
Mhm.
Today I am going to show you how to download Roblox Fluxus. So first you just have to go to any web browser and then type fluxteam.net. And if you scroll down right here, you will see this button that says download now. You have to tap that one and then click this installer right here. And then it will take you directly to this page. And what you want to do here is just simply click this free access. Then you will see a button that says get Fluxus. So tap that one. And then there you have to simply follow the instruction here. Once you're done, then you can now start to download this Fluxus. Now, in order for you to download this, you have to, of course, disable your virus protection and then allow this to simply run to your device. So you have to simply disable that in order for you to download this Fluxus right here. This is a zip file, so once you have downloaded this, you have to open and extract it. Okay, so extract all, then you will see the file once you have extracted it. This is what it looks like, and what you want to do is to open that file folder and then look for Fluxus. Okay, extract it, click the folder here, and then tap the Fluxus again, and then click this one or run this as administrator. All you have to do is simply click next, and then you have to choose the path here. Tap the very first one, okay, and then after that you have to click next and wait as it is downloading. So once done, you just have to go to your Roblox, select any game, and then open this one. Now you have to simply make sure that you are using the Microsoft version of your Roblox, and then you have to go through the key system. And then once you have the key, all you have to do is to inject this into the game. And that's it. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next videos.